Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great, and today is our 5-day of shadowing practice. If you want to learn English, you must practice every single day with consistency. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and check them first and then come back to this one. I truly hope everything is going well in your life. So let's begin today's shadowing practice. Repeat after me.
Let's begin today's shadowing practice. Repeat after me. English is a long process, but I will never give up. English is a long process, but I will never give up. English is a long process, but I will never give up. I can do this. I will keep practicing. I can do this. I will keep practicing. I can do this. I will keep practicing. I am improving a little every day. I am improving a little every day. I am improving a little every day. My hard work will show results. My hard work will show results. My hard work will show results. Slow progress is still progress. Slow progress is still progress. Slow progress is still progress. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am stronger than my excuses. I am stronger than my excuses. I am stronger than my excuses. Consistency will make me fluent. Consistency will make me fluent. Consistency will make me fluent. I will keep going no matter what. I will keep going no matter what. I will keep going no matter what. I am proud of my journey. I am proud of my journey. I am proud of my journey. Practice daily, improve daily. Practice daily, improve daily. Practice daily, improve daily. I trust my efforts. I trust my efforts. I trust my efforts. I am on the right path. I am on the right path. I am on the right path. I will become fluent step by step. I will become fluent step by step. I will become fluent step by step.
So, friends, I want to say something, my hearts. Life is not always easy, but you are stronger than you think. Every small efforts you make today will create a big change in your future. Legends are not born, legends are made by consistency, made by courage, and made by never giving up. So keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your journey is just beginning. So if you like these videos, don't forget like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.